Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to set timer on WhatsApp message. The first thing is open up your WhatsApp and then you tap on the three lines at the top right corner, tap on settings, tap on privacy, and then you can see default message timer. Tap on it and you can now start new chat with its appearing message timer set to. So you choose the one you want. So let's say 90 days. So now that means having 90 days, the chats will disappear. So you can choose 90 days, 7 days, 24 hours, or you can just simply turn it off. It all depends on you. Now as you turn it on, don't forget to not affect your existing chats. If you want to apply to existing chats, just tap on by selecting them, and then you choose the chat you want it to affect. You cannot edit group settings, so let's say this one, so it will affect it too. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to set timer on WhatsApp message. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, bye bye.